Let's face it, the economy can feel like a roller coaster sometimes. We've got wages struggling to keep up with the rising cost of everything. Inflation eats away at our hard-earned money, making it feel like we're running just to stay in the same place. Housing costs are through the roof, and don't even get me started on grocery bills. But hold on, don't despair. Understanding these challenges is the first step to overcoming them. It's like mapping out a course before you set sail. You need to know where the rough waters are so you can navigate around them. We're going to break down these economic hurdles together. We'll find ways to plug those money leaks and start building a solid financial foundation. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it's financial power. It's time to take control and chart a course toward financial freedom. Let's get started. Now, let's talk about your mindset. Because believe it or not, your attitude towards money plays a huge role in your financial success. It's not just about numbers, it's about having the right mindset. You need to believe that you can improve your financial situation. Don't let those negative thoughts creep in and tell you otherwise. You are capable of achieving financial freedom, but it starts with believing in yourself. Think of it like this. Financial resilience is like a muscle. The more you work on it, the stronger it gets. You'll face setbacks, that's part of life. But it's how you bounce back that truly matters. So, let's ditch the negativity and embrace a growth mindset. Believe in your ability to learn, adapt, and overcome any financial challenge that comes your way. Remember, you've got this. All right, let's get down to brass tacks. If you want to master your money, you need a budget. I know, the B word can sound scary, but trust me, it's your secret weapon to financial freedom. A budget isn't about restricting yourself, it's about giving your money a purpose. It's about deciding where you want your hard-earned cash to go instead of letting it slip through your fingers. Think of it as a roadmap to your financial goals. Start by tracking your income and expenses. Where is your money coming from, and where is it going? Once you have a clear picture, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save more. Remember, a budget is a living, breathing thing. It needs to be adjusted as your life changes. But having that plan in place will give you a sense of control and empower you to make smarter financial decisions. Let's face it, relying on a single source of income is like putting all your eggs in one basket. If something happens to that one source, you're in trouble. That's why it's crucial to diversify your income streams. Think of it like building multiple pillars to support your financial house. The more pillars you have, the stronger and more stable your house will be. Plus, having multiple income streams can provide a safety net if one source dries up. So, how do you create multiple income streams? Well, the possibilities are endless. You could start a side hustle, freelance your skills, rent out a spare room, or even invest in dividend-paying stocks. The key is to explore different avenues and find something that aligns with your skills and interests. Remember, building multiple income streams takes time and effort, but the financial security it provides is well worth it. Section 5. Conquering debt, strategies for financial freedom. Debt can feel like a heavy weight holding you back from achieving your financial goals. But the good news is, you can break free from its grip. It's time to conquer that debt and reclaim your financial freedom. The first step is to acknowledge the debt and create a plan to pay it off. List out all your debts, including the balances and interest rates. Then, explore different debt repayment strategies, such as the snowball method or the avalanche method. Once you have a plan in place, it's time to take action. Cut back on unnecessary expenses, find ways to increase your income, and throw every extra dollar you have towards your debt. Remember, consistency is key. Getting out of debt requires discipline and commitment, but the feeling of freedom and peace of mind you'll experience is priceless. So, stay focused, stay motivated, and watch as you chip away at that debt until it's gone for good. Section 6. Emergency Fund Essentials. Preparing for the unexpected. Life is full of surprises, and unfortunately, not all of them are good. That's why having an emergency fund is crucial. It's your financial safety net, there to catch you when unexpected expenses pop up. Think of it like this. You wouldn't drive a car without insurance, would you? An emergency fund is like insurance for your finances. It protects you from going into debt when unexpected events occur. Start by setting aside a small amount of money each month, even if it's just $50 or $100. As you get into the habit of saving, gradually increase that amount. Aim to have 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses saved in your emergency fund. Having an emergency fund will give you peace of mind knowing that you're financially prepared for whatever life throws your way. It's a cornerstone of financial security and a must-have for anyone serious about achieving financial freedom. Section 7. Investing Basics. Growing your wealth over time. Investing might seem intimidating at first, but it's one of the most effective ways to grow your wealth over time. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a mighty tree. The key is to start small and learn as you go. Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek guidance from reputable financial advisors. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. There are various investment options available, such as stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Each one carries its own level of risk and potential return. It's essential to diversify your investments and create a portfolio that aligns with your risk tolerance and financial goals. Investing takes time, patience, and discipline. But by consistently investing a portion of your income, you'll be amazed at how your wealth can grow over the long term. Section 8. Smart Spending Habits. Making every dollar count. Smart spending isn't about depriving yourself. It's about making conscious choices with your money. It's about getting the most value out of every dollar you spend. Start by differentiating between your needs and wants. Needs are essential for survival, while wants are things that enhance your life but aren't strictly necessary. Focus on fulfilling your needs first, and then allocate a portion of your budget for your wants. Look for ways to save money on everyday expenses. Comparison shop for the best deals. Use coupons and discount codes, and consider buying used or refurbished items instead of new ones. Remember, small changes in your spending habits can make a big difference in the long run. By being mindful of your spending and making conscious choices, you'll be able to stretch your budget further and reach your financial goals faster. Section 9. Community Support. Leveraging resources for financial success. You don't have to navigate the path to financial freedom alone. There are countless community resources and support networks available to help you along the way. Don't be afraid to reach out to financial advisors, credit counseling agencies, or even friends and family members who are financially savvy. They can provide valuable insights, guidance, and support as you work towards your goals. Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. By leveraging the resources available to you, you'll be better equipped to overcome financial challenges and achieve lasting financial success. Surround yourself with a supportive community. Seek guidance from those who have walked the path before you and celebrate your successes along the way.